Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Wood Boyles and this is the World History Project. In our last session, we looked at how some people went from foraging to living in complex societies, and we also looked at a couple changes associated with that big shift. Now, we're going to focus on little chunks of that bigger transformation. So our question today is, how did villages change how people lived? Let's review real quick. At the beginning of the era, there are foragers who are hunting and gathering, pastoralists who are herding animals like sheep and goats, and farmers who are growing crops. There's actually a fourth group too, and these are people who are doing a little bit of everything. But most all these people moved around a lot. They were nomads, which happens to be our word of the day. And it just means that they lived in small groups and didn't have a permanent home. Nomads followed migration patterns of animals and even moved their herds around for fresh pastures and places to graze. Even early farmers were nomadic, moving between different farming sites. But villages were a new kind of community. Villagers were organized in larger groups than nomadic bands, and they didn't move around. Villagers also built more elaborate houses. They owned more stuff since they didn't have to carry it around all the time. Probably the biggest change is that people now had addresses, which means that if someone wanted to trade with you or steal from you, they knew exactly where to go. It meant that long-term relationships were formed between villages, and this led to the development of the first real complex networks called village networks. People from different villages would come together to trade, to defend each other, and to share technology and ideas. So, today, I want you to read Village Networks and think about how villages were not only new types of communities, but how the networks of interaction between people started to change as well. Then, for your historian's journal, I want you to think about where you live. I live in a rural area with one small town close by. So, in my small town, we haven't had many cases of COVID-19, but the pandemic has affected our community economically, specifically by hurting jobs. But how has COVID-19 affected your community? Think about how the virus has affected where you live and how the size of your community might play a role in determining the virus impact. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.